Hello, I'm Crispian Knight, the Managing Director of Melling Performance Springs. Welcome to our premier spring manufacturing facility. Melling Performance Springs specialises in manufacturing precision compression springs from 0.2mm in diameter to 16mm in diameter. The factory is 20,000 square feet currently. Our site is located in Lytham St Anne's, Lancashire, UK. We supply to the automotive industry, both OE and aftermarket, hydraulics and pneumatics, oil and gas industry, food processing, rail, transportation, motorsport, a whole range of sectors. About a third of our business goes to North America, a third is domestic in the UK, and 1/3 is the rest of the world.
We have a wide variety of equipment and processes here at Melling Performance Springs. Precise CNC cold coiling, heat treatment and stress relieving, CNC end grinding, shot peening and micro peening, hot and cold pre-stressing, and vibratory polishing and isotropic super finishing. We keep quality as our main focus day in, day out, and this is to ensure that every spring that leaves our factory is worthy of the Melling brand. Our load testing is done by CNC to ensure precise measurement of force characteristics, and we carry out fatigue testing to evaluate spring performance, ensuring that our exact customer specs are met.
Well, since Melling purchased the company, we've invested over £1.5 million in new machines, upgrades to machines and refurbishment of equipment.
Our machinery includes leading brands like Wafios, GM Dawn, Micro Studio. Additionally, we innovate by building our own bespoke equipment to optimize manufacturing processes, improve quality and obviously the cost.
Our expertise cover a wide range of compression spring shapes. These include cylindrical, beehive, conical, concave and convex, variable pitch and dual and triple sets. To ensure optimal performance in various applications, we use a diverse range of materials: silicon chrome and silicon chrome vanadium, carbon steels, stainless steels, super alloys and copper alloys. Melling Performance Springs is committed to maintaining the highest quality standards across all operations. Our quality systems accreditations include IATF 16949, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001.
We are dedicated to continuous improvement initiatives and recognise that training and development of our staff is vital. This focus ensures that our team remains at the forefront of industry standards and practices, allowing us to deliver exceptional quality and service.
Melling Performance Springs stands out for our attentive customer service, design innovation and manufacturing capabilities.
When a customer contacts Melling Performance Springs, they will get a response the same day and we will follow up with a quote normally within 2 to 3 days.
Melling is building the company for the future. It's for the long term, it's got a long-term plan. All the investments, all the direction, they're all to build the company to be the cutting edge of spring manufacturing.
It doesn't feel like working for like a big group, massive company. It feels more like working within family, for a family. Same with Mark Melling, every time he comes over, it's family atmosphere he brings with himself.
Thank you for checking out the Melling Performance Springs facility. Please contact us through the website and find the difference being part of the Melling family can make for you.